Hey there, sculpting friends. I just wanted to let you know that I'm here, I'm back, and thank you so much for all the blessings and prayers that went into watching out for my youngest, who was hospitalized recently, and we've had a bit of a time of that, but we're just really grateful that he's doing a lot better now, and that my blood pressure is finally coming down to a point that I can be functioning and working and doing this work that I love. So I think that we will just head right into this next video. So it's October and we've got some fun things going on. Some stuff that we already have created for you are the pumpkin faces. Now these are really fun to do on something like this. This is the one that I made a year or two ago, and I have my little plant in there to be his hair. And I have the instructions for how you make the face exactly with that DVD. And if you want to be a little bit more creative, you can do what Karen Baker taught us, which is to make it into a full face. So it's a full pumpkin. And this is just stuffed with aluminum foil inside. And so you just make the face like I teach you on this, but just take it around for the full pumpkin. So that's a really fun thing to do for Halloween too. We also have our witches from the Witchy Woman workshop. Oh. And she still needs her dress, and so this year I'm going to conquer the sewing part of that so we can get that finished and get her a dress, and then my original witch here too, because they both are screaming for their clothes. So we're going to get that done as well, and I will have some videos up for you on how that went. So all throughout the month I'll have some fun videos on this YouTube channel. I'm getting a TikTok put together as well to also give you some tips and tricks and things to keep you motivated for sculpting. This time of year is really a great time to be sculpting and using your skills to create gifts and presents for the holidays coming up. So I'm going to be here to help you however I can. We've got a new email that you can send any questions or concerns to right here. I'll have it on the screen. And then also I now have set up at makingfairies.com a chat window. So you can put your questions right there. If you need to get a hold of me, that's probably one of the best ways to do it. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that I'm here. I'm getting the orders put together as fast as I can. And if there's anybody who missed an order, please go ahead and contact me through that chat at makingfairies.com, and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks so much, and have a great time sculpting.